In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to download, install and use the latest version of WhatsApp on a Windows PC. Apart from that, I'm also going to show you how to secure your WhatsApp account so that nobody else gets access to your account when you're using it on a Windows PC. So in order for you to do this, all you have to do is just get hold of your laptop or your desktop, whatever you are using as a PC, and get onto whatsapp.com, or you could also get the application from the Microsoft Store. So whatsapp.com, once you're on the website, you have an option to download the application. Click on download, and then an exe file is downloaded to your PC. Click on that option, or get to your downloads folder and open the exe file. You get a window pop up like this, and it is automatically going to download the latest version of the application installed on your PC. Okay, it's automatic. So once it is installed, you're going to get this notification, the latest version is installed. Then you click on open, and then you get a pop up like this, which allows you to log into your WhatsApp account. Click on get started. And then you have a QR code to scan, or you could also log in using your phone number. So if you click on link with phone number, select your country or region, put in your phone number, click on next. And then you're going to see a code out here. You would have to open your WhatsApp application and put in this code. Let me show you how to do this on screen. So you open the WhatsApp application that you're wanting to use on your PC. Tap the menu option to the top right. Click on linked devices. And then click on link a device. Click on link a device. Then unlock your phone if it is necessary, and click on link with phone number instead. Then you need to put in the code out here. So once you enter the code correctly, you are automatically going to be signed in to your PC with your WhatsApp account, which is on your phone. Sure, you could do a lot of things. If you want, you could change the theme. If you want to do that, click on settings, and then you click on personalization. And then you could change the theme maybe to dark if you want. Click on OK. Becomes dark. It is more soothing to the eye, so this is what I recommend. Always use a darker theme. If you want, apart from that, you could also change the wallpaper. Apart from that, you could do a lot of things. If you want, you could just go through the menu and you could change things about out here. But something very important to ensure that you have privacy is to ensure that you have a lock on your WhatsApp account on your PC. Because say supposing you are using your WhatsApp account during work, you have your PC at the side and you just want to take a break, you go out to drink tea or whatever it is, then you need to lock your WhatsApp account. Okay, if you do not lock it, you're going to risk your WhatsApp account because somebody else may just get on your PC and read your messages, which is not correct. So the desktop version of WhatsApp unfortunately doesn't have an app lock, so you cannot set up an app lock within the application. You have to download a third-party application to lock WhatsApp so that you're 100% secure. You could search for good app lockers like AppCrypt on the Microsoft Store. So you could download the application, and within the application itself, you're going to get an option to enable a lock for your WhatsApp account. I would assume that you are going to be able to do that. It's very simple and easy. If you face any difficulty, just let me know in the comment section below, or you could send me an email and I'll make a separate video on how to do that. I hope this was of some help. You got some value through my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.